9/11, November 29th of 2017. This was the exact moment I began writing these vows for.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
On this day, Teko Lewis and LaJoy Cox will pledge their lives as one and commit themselves to each other forever in marriage. There are no obligations on earth more sweet or tender than those you're about to assume. There are no vows more solemn than those you're about to make. There is no human institution more sacred than that of the home you are about to establish.
9/11, November 29th of 2017. This was a moment I knew I was going to be your husband one day. And a moment I knew you were the one for me. At this time, there was a picture of us on your phone wallpaper where we kissed in front of a single rose, and I was just watching you smile at me. The whole time I was thinking, wow, she really loves me. And I really love her. Before we met, I was on my pursuit of happiness, fatherless, searching for guidance, praying that God would just give me a true reason to smile. And the moment you told me your name, I knew He answered my prayer. He gave me joy. Sometimes you catch me looking at you with a big smile on my face. No words, just a smile. And you always tell me you wish you knew what I was thinking in those moments, and I usually tell you it's nothing, I'm just smiling at you. I smile because you're beautiful and still make me nervous to this day. I smile because you're my dream come true. I smile because you're my reminder that God is real and that when I'm hurting or feeling alone, all I need to do is take one look at you. Because when I needed Him most, there you were with beautiful eyes, asking me if I was a model, if I need a picture. I'm so thankful that God positioned you and the kids into my life. You're my best friend, my true love, and today you become my wife. And since that night I started writing these vows, my every step has been dedicated to not only the goal of being your husband, but to be the best version of myself for you and the kids. Today, I vow to be an even better man than I was yesterday for our family. I yearn to be the man that you dreamed of, the husband you prayed for, and the father you envisioned for our children, because you're the woman, wife, and mother I prayed for me. I'm committed to being here through the good and the bad, to give my all for us, and to be your happily ever after as long as we both shall live.
I've asked myself what it meant to truly be in love, and this is what I came up with. You made me dream of my love story because before you, I had no vision of a wedding dress. I had no vision of a venue or anything about this day. From the very first day that I sat across from you, and the two of us opened up to one another, and we told each other everything that had been troubling us for years, I knew that we would always be best friends. A little after we first met, you had a decision to make about your life and your career. At that time, I asked you to trust me with 6 months of your life. to show you a better way. You were reluctant, but you did it anyway. And with each year, things got better and we grew together. I'm standing here before you today, asking you to trust me again. This time I'm asking you for so much more. I'm asking you to trust me with forever. I promise that we will continue to grow together, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. I promise to always respect and honor you. I promise to be the person you can talk to about anything. I promise to never stop praying for you and speaking life into you. You love my craziness, and I admire your calm and your patience. You are my best friend, and I am so happy to have you in my life. There is still a part of me today that cannot believe I am the one who gets to marry you. I am so excited to become Mrs. Lewis. I love you.
Teko and LaJoy, may all that you are always be in love. And may all that is love always be in you. May your love be as beautiful on each day you share as it is on this day of celebration.
I'm going to be another grandmother.
And may each day you share be as precious to you as the day you first fell in love. May you always see and encourage the best in each other. May the challenges life brings your way make your marriage even stronger. And may you always be each other's best friend and greatest love. May the blessings of life, the joy of love, the peace of truth, and the wisdom and strength of spirit be your constant companion now and always as husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man separate. Teko, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce to you the new Mr. and Mrs. Lewis.